What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to change your Instagram app logo, because Apple has made it different, so you now have to go into shortcuts and you can no longer do it directly from the app. So I'm just going to make a little video and tell you guys how to do that. So first, if you go over to Safari, you want to type in the Instagram. So here we go. Go over to images and you see all the little logos here. You'll simply have to copy one and then save it to your camera roll. You can save it to photos by here. You see the little icon here where it says save to photos, so you do that. Will then come out. If I go into my photos now, I've done that already, so you guys didn't see me copy it because I already have the logo in my photos. So here's the Instagram logo here. Now if we go over to shortcuts, so shortcuts is here. I'll scroll down and type it. So shortcuts. Now if we press this little plus icon, we'll tap on that. Now if we go over to open app, so we tap on the open app here, it'll take us to this screen here. We then type up the app that we want. So I want Instagram, so tap on Instagram there. Now if we go over here to this little share button over here, so we simply tap that. Now you'll be able to see that it says add to home screen, so we'll press add to home screen. And now here's where we can customize everything. So you got these little map icons here: directions, transport, automotive. Here is also the color that you can change as well. So I'm gonna go over to this section over here. I'm gonna press choose photo. Now if I scroll down to where I have it, here's the Instagram logo here. I'm gonna copy that. I'm gonna adjust it to how it should be. So I'm just gonna zoom all the way in. You press the choose button. Now if we press over here, so we just simply tap where it says new shortcut. We can tap that, erase that, and then add the name of the app. So we want to add Instagram. Now if we press add, check over everything, check if everything is how you want it. Now if we press add, you'll see that we can come out, and now we have the Instagram app here. So you can simply go into your Instagram and everything will be as normal. You can do this with any logo you want. So you can go back onto Safari and choose from the many logos that's there. So completely free of choice. You can do whatever logo you want. So I'm going to do the same process again, but I'm going to do it with Snapchat now. So if I simply go back into the shortcuts app over here, scroll back down, cancel this, cancel everything, we start again. So go on to open app, come over to the share button again, press add to home screen. So we will do that. Now we're back in the same screen again. So I'll go over here, choose the photo that I want. If I go into albums and favorites, the Snapchat logo is right here. I'll select that, zoom into how I like it, press choose. Now go on to new shortcut, so you can change the words or change the name of the app. So Snapchat is what we want. So just simply put a Snapchat, press add, and now here's the Snapchat logo again. So you've changed the app logos. You can do this many times with any app logo you want. You can even completely customize your whole iPhone, but that's how you change your app logo. If you've made it to the end of the video and you enjoyed this and you found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Also hit the like button, leave a comment as well if this found you helpful. But that was how you change your Instagram app logo.